Welcome to this step-by-step guide on connecting your Mailchimp account to your WordPress site. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process so that you can seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with your WordPress website within a few minutes. Begin by opening your WordPress website in your preferred web browser. When the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see the login option. Clicking this option initiates the login process and brings you closer to managing your website settings. Taking note of the layout and navigation at this point can be very useful, especially if you are new to WordPress. After clicking login, you will notice an option that allows you to continue with Google. This option is designed to simplify the process of signing in by using your existing Google account credentials. When you select the Continue with Google choice, a new window will appear that displays the available Google accounts on your device. At this stage, choose the Google account that you would like to use for logging into WordPress. The use of a single account helps in managing your online tools with fewer passwords and enhanced convenience. Following your sign-in, you will have full access to the WordPress dashboard, which offers a robust set of tools intended to empower you to manage your site effectively. Look for the Tools section within your dashboard. This area is dedicated to support and configuration options and forms the base for making adjustments to your website. The Tools area is fundamental for enabling various third-party integrations that can enhance your site's functionality, and it serves as your gateway to the marketing features available on WordPress. Once you are in the Tools section, the next part of the process is to navigate to the Marketing area. This space is specifically curated to help site owners manage integrations and set up marketing campaigns. The Marketing section brings together multiple features that allow you to streamline communications and promotions through your website. In this area, you will find it easy to transition to managing connections. Within the Marketing section, locate the Connections area. This dedicated section consolidates all the external services you can integrate with your WordPress site. The Connections page is carefully structured so that each available service is clearly displayed, making the process of establishing a connection as simple as scrolling down until you see the desired service. In this case, continue scrolling until you reach Mailchimp. Upon reaching the Mailchimp option, you will notice a Connect option next to it. Clicking Connect is the final step in establishing the link between your Mailchimp account and your WordPress site. Once you choose Connect, you will be prompted to log in using your Mailchimp credentials. This secure login process is essential to protect your account and ensure that all data transmitted between Mailchimp and WordPress is safe. Successfully connecting your Mailchimp account to WordPress opens up a range of possibilities. You can manage your email marketing campaigns directly through the WordPress interface, streamline your mailing list administration, and enjoy easier tracking of campaign performance. This integration empowers you to communicate with your audience more effectively and to leverage the combined strengths of both platforms for a more dynamic online presence.